Hello, all. Welcome to Sivan'S SAP SD Training. This is your Prasad. So in this recording, I would like to explain you all about the logic behind SAP transaction codes. As you all know that Sivan'S SAP SD Training always tries to introduce you all the unique videos on SAP. Most of the SAP consultants or end users often think about how the SAP transaction codes are designed or managed. This query is there in every SAP consultant or user's mind. How the naming conventions are planned, how the customized transactions are designed and their guidelines to follow, how the transaction code represents the specific module or a functional area. So in this short recording, I tried to clarify all the queries belongs to these as an informative purpose to all the SAP consultants and the end users. So again, welcome to Sivan's SAP SD training. SAP transaction codes are alphanumeric codes that facilitate navigation and execution of tasks within the SAP system whenever we are using them. The logic behind the use of alphabets in SAP transaction codes often reflects the functional area or module to which they belongs to. Here is a general overview of the common logic. That is like T codes are typically alphanumeric and can be up to 20 characters long. The initial letters often represents the functional module. So you can see here examples by modules. FI financial accounting, F-02, FB50, G enter GL account posting, general ledger account, accounting document entry, CO controlling, KP06, cost center planning, KSB1, cost centers, materials management, MM01 to create material master data, ME21N to create purchase order, SD, which is like our module like sales and distribution, VA01 to create sales order, VL01N to create outbound delivery, VF01 to create the billing document. PP production planning, MD04 and CO01, HR human resources, PA30 and PET60. PM plant maintenance, PM quality management, other modules like PS project systems, and then business warehouse. So these are each and every module will be having their own set of transaction codes to represent their area of specification. How the naming conventions, they always do it. The first letters typically denote the application area, for example, F for finance, MM for materials management. The middle letters or numbers often indicate specific processes or actions within that module. Suffixes, which represents the versions or specific types of transactions. For example, N often indicates a newer version of a transaction. For example, SCC1 to SCC1N in S4HANA. Additional notes, prefixes like certain prefixes like S or Z, S underscore or Z underscore are custom transaction codes created by the user organization following their own naming conventions. How the consistency takes place. SAP tries to maintain a consistent structure within modules to help users remember and navigate easily. How the custom transaction codes are planned. What are the base? The organizations can create custom transaction codes for specific needs, usually prefixed with Z or Y, to differentiate from standard SAP transaction codes. Understanding these patterns can help users predict and remember transaction codes, enhancing their efficiency in navigating the SAP system. So thank you all. Have a nice day.